At the same time, he causes them to cherish false conceptions of God, wrong concept, wrong picture, so that they regard him with what? Fear and hate, rather than with love. Many among the Christians today follow God out of fear of punishment, and some after for reward. But to those who truly love him, they follow him out of love. And it is in darkness of misapprehension of God that is enshrouding the world, and are losing their knowledge of his character. We are losing the knowledge of God's character. It has been misunderstood and misinterpreted. This time, a message from God is to be proclaimed, a message illuminating in its influence and saving in its power. His character is to be made known. Into the darkness of the world is to be shed the light of his glory, the light of his goodness, mercy, and truth. That's why God was and is and will be represented by his followers. The early Christians did this, and so are the end-time Christians.